Local Control Union. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a great king and a brave warrior. Shivaji Maharaj, also known as Chhatrapati Shivaji, or Shivaji Raja Bhosle. Shivaji Maharaj, born on 19th February 1630 in Sivaneri, Maharashtra. He was the founder of the Maratha Empire in India. His mother's name was Jijabai and his father's name was Shaji Bhosle. Shivaji Maharaj respects all religions. Shivaji Maharaj breathed his last 3rd April on 1628 at the Raigad Fort. He always believed in equality and justice. He fought many battles. Freed people from the tyranny of injustice. Thank you.
Very good, very good.